Hi there, it's Jessie. So happy you found this video because it means you're curious. You want to learn more about doTERRA. You want to learn more about natural solutions. You want to learn how to DIY these remedies like how to make your own dry shampoo and how to make your own laundry detergent or whatever it is. You want to learn more, but you just aren't sure where to start. Let me guide you. I would love to be your oil mentor. If you aren't working with anyone yet in the doTERRA world and you need to buy your doTERRA essential oils, I would love to be that person for you. Even if you already have a doTERRA account elsewhere outside of me and my team, that's okay. I love this YouTube channel where I can teach you and educate you. Every Thursday, I release a new YouTube video on this channel, so make sure you're subscribed to this channel. But if you want to learn more than what's in these YouTube videos, because I can't always share everything that I want to share via YouTube, so I have other resources for you as well. So if you aren't working with someone yet, I would love to plug you into some of my other education and resources. I have a couple ways that I can teach you outside of this YouTube channel. So first of all, this YouTube channel, every Thursday I release a new video, something about doTERRA, but then I have a couple other things I want to share with you that you might want to opt into. Most months I have a happy hour class. And at time of recording, it's Thursday evenings where I will do a happy hour class. We get together for about an hour and I teach you about a topic. We dive deep into it. It's live, there's Q&A, and we just have a grand old time. And that's a great option for you or any friends that you have that you want to invite. The information is in my show notes if you want to sign up to get information about the upcoming happy hour classes. I often record them and I sometimes make them available here on YouTube depending on the topic. But I think there's something just special and magical about being live on a class. So if you're able to join live, that would be my first recommendation for you. Then also on Thursdays, another way that you can learn more about essential oils and doTERRA is opt into my weekly tip that I send out. Every Thursday, I send out via text message some essential oil related tip. And it just varies depending on what pops into my head. I'm like, oh, this would be a fun tip. Or I just like all kinds of, my brain is just full of so many different tips and ideas. So it's something essential oil related that I will send out that tip to you via text. So if you want to opt into those messages as well, just look in the show notes and the information is there for you. And then the last way that I want to point out in this video that you can get some more essential oil knowledge is a one-on-one Zoom call with me. I mean, if you live local to me, we could always get together for a coffee, but I would love to hop on Zoom with you. That's a perk that I like to offer to people when they choose to open a wholesale account through doTERRA with me. Then we will get together on Zoom, or if we live in the same area, we can get together for coffee, which is always really fun. I will help you open those bottles and share some quick tips and tricks for the products that you just purchased, but then we can create a wellness plan moving forward, and I can plug you into some of the other resources that I have. But those are some of my top tips. If you are someone that right now you're just curious and you want to learn more, subscribe to my YouTube channel, join me for happy hour, subscribe to my Thursday texting tips, and then get your own wholesale account. If you do it with me, then we get to have that one-on-one Zoom. And I got some other stuff up my sleeve that I will fill you in more later. But it's time. If you're still with me and watching this video, that means you're curious. You want to learn more. And I would just love to be that person to guide you along this path of natural living, natural empowered living. I think back to when I first started with doTERRA and where I am now and how empowered I am as a mom and as a woman, as a wife, as a friend. Having these oils at my fingertips is just tremendously empowering. And I love sharing with other people how they can do that as well. So please reach out, show notes, my contact information is there. Reach out, ask questions, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.